Mental math exercise 68. Fill in the blanks. 1 less than 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 9 7 8 9 2 0 7 8 9 2 0 minus 7 9 0 8 0. The answer is 160. The smallest 3-digit number divisible by 5 is 100. 2000000 minus 15. Answer is 199985. Number 6. 289605 minus 169758. Answer is 119847. Simplify these numbers. 70 divided by 14 and 95 minus 40 plus each other. Answer is 60. 40 into 40, number 8. 16 hundreds means 1600. This type of maths here. What number added to 415 gives 450? 450 minus 415. Answer is 35. That's it.